Hello from Confederation Park. This is the Nexgen Energy Festival, part of the 2022 Grey Cup Festival here in Regina. The Grey Cup is held in a different city every year and is organized in advance, so whether or not the local team is in the Grey Cup final or not, it's going to be held here. So this year, the Riders, which is the local team, are not in the final. It's going to be the Winnipeg Blue Bombers and the Toronto Argonauts.
The Argonauts?
I think that's what it is. And obviously we are not sports fans, but we are here because we love to see all the festivities that are going on. So we went inside the Grand Center to see all the festivities that were going on in there. It was pretty cool. There are a lot of interactive games and digital things in there that would have been really fun to partake in, but it was super crowded. The main reason that we wanted to come here today is because there is a drone show.
They're pretty cool.
These are probably the same ones that we were in last year
Yeah.
at the Wascana Park. We've got about 10 minutes before the drone show starts, and we just found this Tim Hortons van that has free coffee and hot chocolate. I think that we're not going to have time.
Yeah, coming along to someone's party at our campsite.
Yeah, it looks like it. Oh, Carlton's element now. Come on, show me a hole in one.
Huh?
Show me a hole in
I
one.
got a hole in one once.
Okay.
I got a hole in one once.
Let me see. This far away. Oh. So the drone show is being put on by North Shore Drone Shows, and this is supposed to be the largest drone show ever performed in Canada with 300 drones. So it's going to be really fascinating. Here they come. I don't know if you heard that, but Carl just said that that was far superior to fireworks.
It is far superior. There's no loud banging. There's no dogs going crazy. There's no soldiers with PTSD. There's no scaring wildlife or birds.
And it's infinitely more creative as well.
And more creative, more unique. You can do more with it.
We're going to get our hot chocolate now. Oh, that line. Let's get it. Yeah, we're gonna get it.
Guys, get 2 hot chocolates. Please. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, cheers, buddy. Yes.
I wonder if it's gonna be really hot. Probably not.
Well, cold chocolate. It'll be like sip one in about 2 minutes.
Woo! Oh, that's hot.
Then it'll be cold in like 3 minutes.
It's sippable.
Oh, it's so good.
Yeah. It's time to go. Well, yet another lovely winter festival in Regina. That drone show will go down in my memory as one of the coolest things I've seen. I feel like that's going to become more of a thing in the future though. At least I hope so.